I'm JT. I'd like to speak to you right now about three simple words. I'm just looking. Now, if you're a salesperson, you've heard these words many a time, haven't you? I'm sure you'd like $1 for every time that somebody's turned around and says, look, I'm just looking right now, okay? Well, we're not buying today, we're simply looking. We need to understand the reason why customers will say that before we can actually deal with it, right? And let me assure you, quite often customers have been to various other dealerships or other businesses and they've been hassled, they've been harassed, they've been pressured, they've been pushed by other salespeople. And the customer gets to a point where he thinks, well, geez, is it possible to go out there and physically buy a car without having all of this rigmarole happening? Now, I'm just looking is simply a protective mechanism that the customer will utilize in order to stop you from pushing them or trying to sell them something they don't want. I mean, let's be honest, okay? Look, nobody just comes in to just look. Yeah, okay. So they're looking to buy, all right? Simple as that. Now, I'm just looking is a nightmare to most salespeople because, how do you deal with it? I've heard quite a few responses to the words I'm just looking. And, I've heard salespeople turn around and say, well, yeah, what are you after? Or what can I, what are you looking for? Well, what would you like to see? What are you thinking of buying? It all comes out and it all comes out very, very aggressive. Now, a customer says, look, I'm just looking, okay? I just want to have a look around and if I see something I like, I'll call you. Okay. Now, how do we deal with this? What is the correct method of dealing with this? Well, simply, for a start, these are words that usually come up at the initial point of introduction, right? When you go out there, you might give them your business card and you ask for their name and say, oh, I'm just looking. Okay, so let's take it in our stride. Not a problem. Look, I can help you with that. I'm here to show you whatever it is that you want to see. And stop and just wait. The guy says, well, we don't know what we want to see. We're a little bit undecided at the moment. Okay, so now we've actually started to engage a conversation. And hopefully, if you've got the right smile, if you've got the right approach, you're going to be able to relax that customer. All right. It all comes back to the approach and how you initially introduce yourself. So don't let the words I'm just looking become final to you. But please do not turn around and become aggressive by saying, well, what are you looking for? What are you after? Because that's not going to help your cause. All right. So more to come on the subject. I'm JT.